Soil nutrients are fundamental for plant growth and development. Plants require a variety of elements to complete their life cycle, which they primarily obtain from the soil. These nutrients are taken up by plant roots in specific ionic forms. Root hairs increase the surface area for absorption, while mycorrhizal associations can enhance nutrient uptake. The soil environment, including its chemical and physical properties, plays a crucial role in nutrient availability. Factors such as soil texture, structure, and organic matter content all influence nutrient dynamics. By understanding these elements, students can better manage soil fertility and ensure optimal plant growth and yield. Plants require specific nutrients to grow, which are categorized as essential nutrients. They are further classified into macronutrients needed in larger quantities and micronutrients required in smaller amounts. Macronutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Micronutrients, while needed in trace amounts, are equally important and include iron, manganese, zinc, copper, molybdenum, boron, and chlorine. Liebig's law of the minimum highlights the importance of essential nutrients. According to this law, plant growth is limited by the scarcest nutrient, even if all other essential nutrients are abundant. Soil fertility management practices must ensure that all essential nutrients are available in adequate amounts to support optimal plant growth. By identifying and addressing nutrient deficiencies, farmers can improve plant productivity and sustainability. Soil composition significantly influences the availability and uptake of nutrients by plants. The primary components of soil are minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Soils can be classified into various types based on their texture, such as sandy, loamy, or clayey soils, each with distinct properties affecting nutrient availability. Sandy soils drain quickly and have low nutrient holding capacity, leading to nutrient leaching. Conversely, clayey soils have fine particles and high nutrient holding capacity but can become compacted, limiting root growth. Organic matter enhances soil structure, water retention, and provides a reservoir of nutrients through decomposition. Understanding soil composition and its impact on nutrient dynamics is key to effective soil fertility management and optimizing plant growth. Water availability is a critical factor influencing nutrient uptake by plants. Water acts as a solvent that facilitates the movement of nutrients from the soil to the plant roots. In periods of drought, reduced soil moisture limits the dissolution and mobility of nutrients, making them less accessible to plants. Excessive water or waterlogging can lead to oxygen deprivation in the root zone, disrupting root function and nutrient absorption. Soil water retention is influenced by soil texture and organic matter content. Effective irrigation management is essential to ensure consistent and adequate water supply for optimal nutrient uptake. By understanding the relationship between water availability and nutrient uptake, students can develop strategies to enhance plant growth and productivity under varying environmental conditions. Soil pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of the soil, and is a crucial factor influencing nutrient availability and uptake by plants. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7, for optimal growth and nutrient uptake. Soil pH affects the solubility and availability of nutrients. In highly acidic soils, nutrients such as phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium become less available, while elements like aluminum and manganese can reach toxic levels. Conversely, in highly alkaline soils, micronutrients such as iron, manganese, zinc, and copper become less available, potentially leading to deficiencies. Adjusting soil pH to an optimal range can improve nutrient availability and uptake. Regular soil testing is essential to monitor pH levels and guide appropriate soil amendments. Soil microorganisms play a crucial role in nutrient uptake by plants. These microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes, contribute to nutrient cycling and availability in the soil. Mycorrhizal fungi form mutualistic associations with plant roots, extending the root system's reach and increasing nutrient absorption, especially phosphorus. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, such as rhizobium, form symbiotic relationships with leguminous plants, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. Favorable conditions promote microbial diversity and activity, enhancing nutrient cycling and availability. Practices such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and organic amendments can support a healthy microbial community and improve soil fertility. By fostering beneficial microbial activity, students can enhance nutrient availability and uptake, leading to healthier plants and improved crop yields. Nutrient absorption by plant roots occurs through passive and active mechanisms. Passive uptake involves the movement of nutrients into the plant roots without the expenditure of energy. This process relies on the principles of diffusion and mass flow, driven by concentration gradients and water movement in the soil. Diffusion is the movement of nutrient ions from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Mass flow involves the movement of nutrients with the flow of water towards the plant roots. Passive uptake is efficient for absorbing nutrients that are readily available in the soil solution. Understanding passive uptake mechanisms helps students appreciate how plants access nutrients under varying soil conditions and the importance of maintaining adequate soil moisture and nutrient levels. Active uptake involves the movement of nutrients into plant roots against a concentration gradient, requiring the expenditure of energy in the form of ATP. This process allows plants to absorb essential nutrients even when their concentrations in the soil are low. Active uptake is mediated by specific transport proteins located in the root cell membranes. Transport proteins such as ion channels and pumps facilitate the selective uptake of nutrients into the root cells. Active uptake enables plants to regulate nutrient absorption according to their metabolic needs. It is particularly important for the uptake of nutrients that are less mobile or present in low concentrations in the soil. By understanding active uptake mechanisms, students can appreciate the complex physiological processes that underpin nutrient absorption and the significance of energy availability in supporting plant nutrition. The study of nutrient uptake by plants has a rich history, dating back to early agricultural practices and scientific discoveries. Justus von Liebig's formulation of the law of the minimum in the mid-19th century revolutionized our understanding of plant nutrition. In the early 20th century, scientists like Fritz Haber and Carl Bosch made significant contributions to nutrient management through the development of synthetic fertilizers. The Haber-Bosch process for synthesizing ammonia from atmospheric nitrogen enabled the large-scale production of nitrogen fertilizers, transforming agricultural productivity and food security. Advancements in molecular biology and biotechnology in the late 20th and early 21st centuries have further deepened our understanding of nutrient uptake mechanisms. Techniques like genetic engineering and genomics have uncovered the molecular basis of nutrient transport and regulation in plants. By examining these historical milestones, students can appreciate the legacy of past discoveries and the ongoing innovations that shape modern soil fertility management and plant nutrition. Hydroponics is a modern application of nutrient uptake principles, involving the cultivation of plants in a nutrient-rich solution without soil. This soilless growing technique allows precise control over nutrient availability, supporting optimal plant growth and productivity. In hydroponic systems, plants are grown in inert media such as perlite, rock wool, or coconut coir, which provide physical support but no nutrients. Nutrient solutions, carefully formulated to meet the plant's needs, are delivered directly to the root zone. Hydroponics offers several advantages over traditional soil-based cultivation, including higher plant densities and faster growth rates. Additionally, hydroponic systems use less water than conventional agriculture, as water is recirculated and losses through evaporation are minimized. By understanding how plants absorb nutrients in a controlled environment, students can apply these insights to improve nutrient management and soil fertility in traditional farming systems. Understanding soil nutrient uptake by plants is fundamental for effective soil fertility management and sustainable agriculture. By comprehending the essential nutrients required by plants and the factors influencing their availability and uptake, students can develop informed strategies to optimize plant growth and productivity. Liebig's law of the minimum underscores the importance of balanced nutrient management, highlighting the need to address nutrient limitations for optimal plant growth. Factors such as soil composition, water availability, soil pH, and microbial activities all play pivotal roles in nutrient dynamics and must be carefully managed to ensure nutrient availability. Modern applications like hydroponics demonstrate the practical relevance of nutrient uptake principles in innovative agricultural systems. By applying these principles, students can contribute to the development of sustainable and efficient food production practices. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of soil nutrient uptake is essential for managing soil fertility and promoting sustainable agricultural practices.